Welcome to Future Scholar Network, where ideas shape the future and learning meets innovation. 1. Personalized learning for every student. AI tailors lessons to each learner's pace, style, and needs, making education truly student-centered. 2. 24/7 intelligent tutoring support. With AI-powered tutors, students get instant help anytime, breaking the barriers of classroom hours. 3. Smart content creation. AI generates quizzes, summaries, and even explainer videos, saving teachers time and enriching student resources. 4. Real-time feedback and assessment. AI tools analyze student performance instantly, offering feedback that helps them improve faster. 5. Inclusive learning for all abilities. From speech-to-text to adaptive interfaces, AI makes learning accessible for students with diverse needs. 6. Language translation and multilingual learning. AI breaks language barriers, enabling global classrooms and multilingual education with real-time translation. 7. Gamified and interactive learning experiences. AI enhances engagement through educational games, simulations, and immersive learning environments. 8. Efficient administrative tasks. AI automates grading, scheduling, and reporting, freeing educators to focus on teaching. 9. Data-driven curriculum design. AI analyzes learning trends to help educators design more effective, relevant, and future-ready curricula. 10. Global collaboration and virtual classrooms. AI connects students and teachers worldwide, fostering collaboration beyond borders and cultures. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, give it a like, subscribe to Future Scholar Network, and stay tuned for more deep dives into education, philosophy, and history.